Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, this video I will show you how I do voiceover. Right now, I am just holding myself, you can see through the mirror. I am holding my cell phone to do this demonstration, so I am not yet using this microphone. And later on, I will do a screenshot. You will see the screen recording to show you the real process. But this is the setup. I put my phone here, connected to the microphone, and it's suspended, not putting on the table. If I put on the table, my hand putting on the table, there is a lot of vibration. The sound, sometimes the vibration sound is actually quite shocking. So I try to put my mouse around this distance, about half a feet, about that distance. If in the library, if I do whisper, I will put it much closer, but otherwise I will be in about half a feet, 1 feet, that kind of distance, and talk normally. Now we will see how I do it. This is the setup. This is the setup. I am comfortable sitting there, no disturbance, and that's it. Okay, so now I will do my recording. I use iMovie. And in iMovie, I already have these projects, which you have seen on my channel. So start a new project. You can see on the bottom, there is this start new project. So I will make a movie. The last one is movie, not magic movie, not storyboard, a movie. I click on the movie, and then there are videos coming up. The first one I will use, I will select the first one. The first one. And today I went out, so I want to have the first one with my face on it, and choose the ones that you feel interesting. I went to Santa Clara University, and this one mostly I will talk about the church, a beautiful Santa Clara church. And there are people doing practice in it, doing some interesting practice. I took some picture. You can see some are videos, some are pictures, and maybe I will bring all the pictures in. And I went outside, took some picture of the beautiful scene, beautiful outside. That should be good. And then everything you have selected that you like, you can select them and create movie. On the bottom, create movie. So I am creating this movie. It's 5 minutes altogether, and you can do some adjustment. This is the first one. We will keep it, and I will start from here. This one has a good voice. I will start from here. And you can see I start a little bit early. The plus sign, you press the plus sign. You can put new videos, new pictures, but I will do voiceover. You go down, the last but one is voiceover. That's where I am using. So I will do voiceover. Now I will start to record. It's 5 minutes, so not a big deal for me to talk for 5 minutes. I will not, I don't think I will cut or something. Let's start. Record. It's a little bit not straight. Okay. Hello dear friends, good afternoon. So I am doing voiceover. This afternoon I went to Mission Santa Clara. I have been there sometime. And so today is Sunday, it's open. And there are some students are practicing singing choir. And it's so beautiful. Maybe you will hear the sound later on. I will cut it out. I took some pictures there, but most importantly, I actually just sit there and seeing them practice and listening to them. There are a couple of other peoples also there. I don't think it's for public performance yet. I just bumped in and they did not open the door. They did not kick me out. And from the scheduled time, it is open. So I did enjoy it very much. And on the wall, there are explanation of the history of this place, the story of poor Clara, and the story of Ohlone people, and the story of the missions. Santa Clara Mission is actually number 8 of the 21 California missions. The beginning of California, the beginning of the mission in California area. Anyway, this part of history I'm still a little bit confused. I am getting a very, very big catching up. And outside, it's such a beautiful day. And this school is really taking very good care of the place. And the mission, the Église, is actually inside the university. So this part is open to public, and it's inside the university, so you actually can enjoy this beautiful, very well manicured or very well taken care of the university. Anyway, it's such a beautiful experience. So here is the recording. I can stop here. Okay, I am done with the recording. I can accept and we can play it. Because I am using microphone, so I cannot hear it. But you can see this is picture does not have sound. And this one is picture does not have sound, the yellow one. Now let's see, we can see this one is a video, 22 seconds video. And the sound might be too strong in comparison with my voice. So you want to get rid of the background sound. You can do several ways to take care of the background sound. You can make the sound, as you can see, you can detach the sound and make it into background. And which is not a good thing because it goes to the very first, very beginning of the video. I do not like it. So did you see the return button on the right side? I return. I will not do that. Return 2 times, return 3 times. My voiceover is gone. Okay, let me return, redo project edit. Oh, I am what did I do? Redo project edit. Oh, okay. Whoosh, whoosh. Okay, so so we will not. So we have this recording here, and this one you can do. You press the sound and make it to 10%, 20%, something like it. And this is picture does not need. This one, they are singing, so I will put it to 2% or 3%. And this one, we will do 2 or 3%. Let's just do 6%. Okay, give it a try. 6%. This one, photo, 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 photo. No, this is the photo, 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 photo. This is video, so I put the sound a little bit low. And this one is, I am getting a very ease video. We put it a little bit low. It's actually not good. Let me just delete it. And the shaking is a little bit too much. I will delete it. So you go to the scissor and press this one, delete. On the very right is delete. Did you see it? Delete it. Okay, and the sound, we put it to 10%, 6%, things like that. Picture, picture, picture. Okay, now we are done. I will put a done here. And now I will export this video. So here is a share sign, an export sign. I am done with editing, so I will share video, see share video, and I save this video, and then I start to save. And that's it. Then I will export this to my YouTube channel, to any social media. Okay, that is it. So you will see this video, and from beginning to the end, my talking video. And the talking video, I think it must be something like how many minutes? It must be something like 15-20 minutes, something. So for one of these a real video, because I do not do a lot of editing, so if I go outside, it's very noisy, or I am not in the mood of talking, then I come back home to do a voiceover, and not very much editing, because editing just spent too much time and not worthy. I hope I can export it, because my phone is quite short of storage place. Let's see, we are coming to the end. Almost exported. Oh yes, exported to photo library. Okay, I got it. Now we go to photo. Here is our photo, and the last photo, Where is the last one? Okay, my very last photo is this one, 5 minutes 35 seconds, and this is the video. Now let's take a look. See, this is the video of it, and that is it. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Cuckoo, bye, bye.